How to do a frontal installation. First, we apply the glue around the perimeter of her edges, as we do so here. Then we smooth it out with whatever you feel as if that you can. To speed up the process, we will blow dry the adhesive so you can make sure it's an even coat. And you can see as the glue or adhesive, as you call it, is clear, then we would add our frontal that I specially customized for her. It's a handmade frontal done by me. So right now, as you can see, I am trying to make sure that it is measured correctly around her perimeter, or we place the adhesive at. And to add a little bit more security, I'm just trying to make sure that it's all the way down. So I just blow dried it. Right now, I'm just trying to smooth out the edges, I guess, and get the hair out of my way. So therefore, I can be able to customize it even more to her edge. Then I just start cutting. I cut to what I feel as if I need to. Sometimes I will cut into the hair, so it just depends on what you feel as if you want to do. And I do so to the other side. And this is the finishing product. Follow me, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.